Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can access your Google Drive files offline. So if you ever find yourself needing to open an important document without internet access, Google Drive has a solution. So let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, simply search for docs.google.com or the location of your Google files. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on the menu icon right over here, tap on settings, and then you want to go ahead and toggle on this button that says offline. This will make all of your recent files on that device available offline. But you'll need to repeat this process on every device where you want offline access. Another way is you can enable offline access for specific files. Let's say I would like to open this file and I want this document to be available offline. For that, tap on File and then simply tap on Make Available Offline. Just like that, once enabled, the specific file will be accessible even without internet. And that's it. That is simply how you can easily access your Google Drive files offline using two simple steps. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.